Fertish vaccinated.
Yeah.
He already have his second dose yesterday.
May nakita kaming maliit na bird dito sa sa harap ng simbahan. This is the Evangelical Church. Napakaliit na bird. Parang siya, galing siya sa nest.
Hello everybody! Kumusta na kayong lahat? Andito ako ngayon sa aming balcony. Medyo hinaan lang natin ang ating boses kasi andito ako sa labas. Naririnig ng mga kapitbahay. Pero the weather today is so warm. 34 degrees. Meron akong mga dito. Ito is binigay ito ng auntie ni Patty. So ito siya? Chili, tomato, chili pepper, tomato, at itong isa is Erdbeeren. So matagal na ito na binigay ng auntie ni Patty. Ay, pumasok si Siri. Matagal na ito na binigay niya sa amin, pero hindi ko siya natanim kasi nga yung time na yun is in my first trimester, is medyo wala pa ako sa energy. But today is a very good weather. Gagawin ko na siya ngayon kasi you know, hindi palagi ang summer dito. Hindi naglalast ang summer. So, kailangan ko na siyang gawin today. At before, papakita ko pala sa inyo yung aming plants. May marami na akong bulaklak dyan, mga roses. At ito yung roses ko na binili ko last year. Ito yung kanyang unang flower. At saka meron pang buds dito. At meron bud dito. At saka ito yung first na strawberry. Yan. First na strawberry, ma-harvest ko yan. Maybe next week. Kasi red na. Ang dami nyo. Ang dami niya palang bunga. And then, meron pa mga dito. Yung plant ko, nakakamatyuno na. Yan, may mga bunga yan siya. Soon, i-harvest natin. Ito is, yan. Ito is also parang berries siya na small berries. Yan. And then ito is nag-start na din siya. Ay, strict Erdbeeren ata ito. And then ito din meron na din bunga. Ang apple lang is wala pang wala pang bulaklak. Ito siya, malapit na yan siyang mahinog. So yan, kasi wala kaming garden, so kailangan namin magtanim sa balcony. At tapos ito is, meron siyang ganito, babasain ko lang, I think babasain ko lang ito, para siyang compressed na coconut shell, something like that. Tapos babasain ko lang, tapos i-wait ko ng ilang minuto. Hope. Yeah. Ito yung mangyayari pag babasain ko siya. Lumalaki siya. Ay! Sobra ata yung tubig. Yan, yung soil. So, kailangan nating dagdagan ng tubig, no? Para isipsipin lang naman yung tubig sa sisipsipin lang naman niya until na maubos niyang sipsipin yung yan. Ito is ready na ito. Siguro lagyan ko ng konting lupa o ano ba? Pag lalaki na ito is ita-transfer ko lang ito siya kasi marami kasi yan then ita-transfer ko lang yan siya. So dito lang ito sa table, ilalagay ko lang ito dito sa table. Hopefully mag-aano siya, tutubo siya in the next days. Papakita ko sa inyo kapag tutubo na siya. Can you start? Hi everyone!
Hi everyone, I'm sure you hear the fan, it's there.
Today is Sunday and happy Father's Day too. Today is Father's Day.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, here it's a different day.
Yeah. Happy Father's Day to everyone. Every
Yeah.
father in the whole world.
So, I have 2 Father Days next year. The German and the Filipino one. And the Mother Day is on the same day like the German.
Yeah.
Ah, I like, so I have 2 days.
You're sorry. And today is napakainit. It's how many days that it's really warm?
The 3rd day it's really warm.
It's really
Before
warm.
it was 27 degrees and now it's the 3rd day that's over 30 degrees.
It's like you are inside in the oven and it's really warm. Ang init dito sa Germany is different from the other. I mean, the Philippines also, the hot in the Philippines is different. Here is different.
Yeah, in the Philippines you have a little bit more. But you don't show it in your video.
And Ziri don't like it. Someone eating. Hala siya, and then she will have not good poop.
Ah, alles gut.
And then he already is British vaccinated.
Yeah.
He already
Okay.
have his 2nd dose. Yesterday is Saturday, hindi lang ako nag-vlog yesterday. Yes, he already is vaccinated. And ako hindi pa. So, because he's one of the priority here. Kasi nga,
Because of you.
yeah, because I'm pregnant. But I still don't have because I'm also pregnant. And he's one of my first contact in the house. So, he is need to be vaccinated. And what is the pros of being vaccinated? Why you need to be vaccinated?
So I can be infected with COVID-19 and they said when I'm finished with the 2nd dose in 2 weeks, I also can infect other.
You can infect others?
I can't infect other.
I can't infect.
That's
And
why it's important that I'm already done, so I can't infect you when I'm
Yeah.
in contact to
And
infected
also-
people.
also you don't need corona test anymore.
No.
Yeah, like going to the restaurant.
But here also, in most of the things you don't need corona test anymore.
And what info did you get?
BioNTech Pfizer.
Yo, and then also you can go to the Philippines.
I can go to the Philippines.
Oh,
in
without
2 weeks.
me. So the effectivity of the injection is 2 weeks. So you can, what is that? You can say that you are really immune in 2
Yeah.
weeks. Do you have something like they give you if you're
Yes, I have a paper. There is a
only a
code,
paper?
a QR code.
So you have a code, so
Yes, it's for a digital
they can.
pass. I can scan it with my phone. It's for Europe only. But of course, I have my vaccine pass from the WHO.
What is that?
The one where they put the sticker in it.
Mm?
We also have it.
Yeah, tapos ako is wala pa akong
I
vaccine.
can get it if you like.
Yeah. Yeah, and then I just kakaligo ko lang. It's already 5.
So here we get this one
What is this?
for all the documents we have.
Just don't get out the documents. Just
Wait. This one we can
you
show.
don't have a code?
This one you can show.
You don't have a code?
This one is not allowed to show.
That's
That's my code.
Impnakvice. What is this, Schatz?
This is how I registered it in phone. So you can scan this one, and you can download the app, and then I can make this paper. I can I'm not allowed to show
Yeah.
you the rest because here is a QR code that I need to scan.
Ah, that's your code.
That's my code.
Ah, so when you're already a British GMs and then you have a code.
Yes, I also
really?
I also get paper like this.
This.
So there also is registrated. You can make it closer.
No, don't. They have your name here. And
Okay, then you can make it here is it?
Yeah.
Without name.
And here is the info.
So here
what
is
this,
a book.
Injection book. What is that?
The-
I have a that or
Yeah,
not?
you have
Yeah.
International Certificate of Vaccination
Yeah.
from the WHO.
They have here. They have like that here.
It's a worldwide document, so you can also
Yeah.
get it in the Philippines, I'm sure.
Mm-mm-mm.
And then you get here.
They also put there.
Here I don't get a job because you're there.
But you saw a pregnant there also.
Yes, I saw pregnant there, so it's allowed. I also read it before that England and America make.
I don't know. I still need to think. I am thinking maybe like how many weeks after I make abort. I don't know if it's.
Normally they said the good thing is if you make it in the pregnancy,
Mm?
the baby will be immune the first time.
But I
against
am
COVID-19.
afraid for the side effect of the vaccine. But there are a lot to make it already.
There are a lot of pregnant who make it.
Yeah, so Yan is already immune and already GM. GM is, what is GM of English? Injected of
Vaccination.
vaccination, already vaccinated from the COVID-19 vaccine. Yeah, and good. That's good.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, and it's
Now so we can fly in the Philippines next year, maybe. No, so long.
yeah, and then because there's another mutation again na, I don't
Yeah, there's
know
the
bakit
new-
hindi
the Delta
matapos-tapos.
mutation.
Bakit
It's-
hindi matapos-tapos? There's a new, they said
First time in Greece.
there's a new mutation, but I hopefully it will not be because meron it has a lot of already vaccinated here. Most
But
of
also in England, and they have now a really high count of infection again. So,
And then, but we will go out today. 32 degree outside. We will go out kasi wala
32?
akong rice. Yeah, 32. Wala, I don't have rice. And then we need to buy rice. We need to go today Sunday, but the Dongsuan Center, yung pinuntahan namin before is open. So pupunta kami, bibili kami ng rice, tsaka bibili ako ng siguro fish or shrimp. I always watching here. I need to watch here.
yeah, but it's okay to watch there also.
So, yes, aalis kami ngayon. But I'm hungry.
Oh, that's a problem.
So, yun lang, guys. He already is vaccinated with the COVID-19. Congrats. I still
It's
don't.
just good.
Congrats. But you don't have side effect.
Today, no. The last time I had a lot of headache.
Yeah.
Also, the second day the headache was still there, but not so terrible. And now I don't have anything.
Really.
Yesterday I had an injection
Good.
here, but no, nothing.
Maybe in the next days.
Hopefully not.
Hopefully not because it's already work tomorrow. So yes, alis na kami because it's already late. Yeah?
We need to drive fast.
We need to drive fast.
City. Hi! May nakita kaming maliit na bird dito sa sa harap ng simbahan. This is the Evangelist Church. Napakaliit na bird. Parang siya, galing siya sa nest. Tapos siguro dalhin namin ito sa doctor. What?
Make it feel quick.
Yo.
Maybe it's from
Maybe it falls.
there.
You know. Andyan siya. Napakaliit na bird. Yan. Where is it? 9 Ziri. Why you don't use it with your hands? Hala, Ziri, come. Come here. Hala, napakaliit niya. So where we will bring it? Siguro galing siya dito sa malaking puno and then nahulog. Oh! Kan ich sehen? Ay, so klein. Wait. I cannot see it. Good. Yan, napakaliit. Ay, no. Dalhin namin sa doctor kasi parang nahulog siya tapos pagpabayaan lang namin siya. We'll see na. Mamamatay man talaga yan kasi wala yung nanay. Kawawa yung yung bird. Ziri, Valti, Ziri. Maghanap muna kami ng doktor na mabigyan namin. Oh, kawawa yung bird. Oh, so klein. What kind of bird is this?
You don't know.
Hello. Very, very small. See, yan yung box. Yan yung box. Tingnan niyo kung gaano siya kaliit. And where you will bring it? Maybe I need to hold it.
Then put Yeri in the back and you hold the small little bird.
Maybe you hold Ziri. No, it's so small. No, don't move.
Let it just. Don't hold. Just go in the car. Sit down.
What kind of bird is
I
this?
don't know. You can ask the doctor.
Kasi merong mga malalaking puno. I think nahulog siya dyan siya sa church. I think nahulog siya. Oh, kawawa naman. Napakaliit niya. Mamamatay man talaga ito kasi walang nanay. To the veterinarian o the was?
Yeah.
O the... We just bring it there and say, hello, we found a bird. They said, let it die. They will say, what is this, boy or the male or the female?
Setz dich ins Auto. Don't hold it.
Parang
We don't.
Ayan siya, napakaliit. Hindi pa nga open yung eyes. Hindi pa pala nag-open yung eyes niya. Maghanap muna kami ng doktor. Schatz, den Augen ist noch nicht offen. Die Augen ist noch nicht offen. Es ist noch closed.
Ich mache ein bisschen die Klimaanlage an gleich. Es ist nämlich sehr heiß und wir können nicht das Fenster öffnen.
And where we can bring it?
Scharnweberstraße.
They said that we can bring bird that is like bird.
Normalerweise kann man das bringen.
Very, very small. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kalaki yung box. Kung gaano siya kaliit dyan. Hatid namin siya. So, i-google map lang namin kasi hindi namin alam. So, so what will be... what is our...
It's a special animal clinic for animal, also for pets. But you can always bring wild animals to the animal doctors.
Oh,
They need to help.
so klein. Thanks to birdation. Look, my hands. We will name it Birdie. We don't know if it's boy or male or female. I cannot hold it because we don't know if some diseases or what na galing sa bird.
And you're pregnant, so
Yeah.
we will be careful also.
Kasi napulot lang namin siya. So I will call you Birdie. So Birdie, we'll go to the doctor. Because if we will let you there, you will die. We'll go to the special doctor and then they will give milk until she or he will be ready to go out in the wild again. Yeah.
They will care for it, and of course feed them animal, feed them insects.
Oh,
Sorry.
Shaz, don't use phone. Poor bird. So klein.
And I'm sure it's want water and is hungry.
Yeah. Alles good, birdie. Alles good. Again in the doctor. Her eyes is still closed. Aw. Who is the Dr. Fonziri? Dr. Fonziri?
Stay close.
Oh.
Grünfein. Guck mal. Fußball.
Ah.
Schottland gegen England heute. It's also open now. Yeah, the restaurant. Just opened before the quarantine.
What kind of bird is this? Oh, it's speaking. Oh, so hungry.
Oh, unser Hund schläft.
So hungry.
Sagt mir nichts. Okay,
So hungry. Komisch. Almost full. Yeah, it's shivering. Andito na kami, andyan yung pet na doctor na puntahan namin. Yo. Oh, Unziri. I don't understand why we are here.
driving.
Driving, so fight. Ah.
Guck mal, da sieht schon jemand rennen.
Huh?
Someone here.
Yeah.
Take a picture?
Nein.
When you take it in. See.
Where there?
Yeah.
Oh. We're almost here. Go to the doctor.
Yeah, he's a doctor, 24 hours. He's an emergency doctor. There's a crow.
Yeah.
And a crow.
Up.
Hey, crow.
Maybe not. Bus.
No, only one person can over.
Oh.
But I have Siri. You bring it, I bring it.
But only one. Not really.
Und wir haben neue Covid-19-Situation.
Und?
Hallo. Wir haben einen kleinen Vogel gefunden, der aus dem Nest gefallen ist. Genau. Den wollten wir jetzt quasi vorbeibringen.
Ja.
Der war auch echt hoch.
Birdie, birdie.
Maybe they can bring it there. Heute ist der 18.
You need to sign. Those who, when it's good, then they will
Yeah.
bring it there.
Okay.
Where we saw.
Ja. Jungtier. Fundort. Just can't say it. But Sabel.
You need to ask what kind of bird.
What number is this?
We already sent the bird. Good, we saw a 24-hour veterinarian. Yeah, doctor.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
a special clinic.
Yeah, medyo mga how many minutes from us?
Maybe 20?
Yeah, hindi namin siya hinatid doon sa vet ni Ziri kasi it's already closed. So hinatid namin siya dito. So ayun nga, nag-fill up lang kami ng form kung saan namin nakita ang bird. Yeah, dyan namin hinatid. Tapos nag-fill up lang kami ng form kung saan namin nakita yung bird kasi pag okay na daw yung bird is ihahatid nila kung saan namin yung nakita. So they will send it back where we saw it.
Yeah, that's the idea. So when they already make it healthy and it's grown up so it can be by its own, they bring it there where we found it and let it fly there.
Yeah, it's just a klein bird. The vet says it's just a klein. But soon I cannot see.
Spats.
Spats.
It's the same
I
bird.
will put picture here. Spats.
Yeah.
What
You
is
will
the spelling?
S-P-A-T-Z.
S-P-A-T-Z. Okay, spats. Yeah, and then yung ibang vet nga is already closed kasi magte-10 na. It's already 9:30. So, yun, kaya medyo padilim na din. Then, yeah, we just after na ma-settle yung bird and then magbigay namin yung aming address saan namin nakita is it's Schönfertig.
And it's normal in Germany you can bring wild animals when you find them that hurts.
Yeah.
You bring them to a veterinarian and they will care for them.
Yes, kung makakita ka dito ng ganyan, lalo na doon sa amin kasi sa amin is medyo we're having ambition like wild. Meron talagang there is instances that there are like blackbirds or what is the Hirschhorn, the one who always climb in the tree. Squirrels, like when you also see kleine squirrels, you can bring it to the vet, or yung mga wild animals na makikita nyo na of course na pag hindi na mabalikan ng mother is kawawa naman if mamatay lang yung bird. Kaya dito talaga is hinahatid talaga sa vet. Kaya yun, kahit late na, we need to bring it. And now we go home.
Now we go. And we just wanted to go out with Ziri.
Yeah, we just wanted
So it
to.
just was luck. We parked the car, go there, and Ziri wanted to go there.
Yeah, Ziri saw it.
And I thought, why she want to go to the church?
Yeah, inside the church, and then and good. The church gate is also open, so we can get inside. Because the church today is closed, but the gate is open, so we can go inside. We don't make it hard to get the so like parang ganyan lang siya na bird. Ooh, so very small.
No.
Yeah, but now
And always
It's-
makes squeak.
yeah, it's safe now and it was good rescued by us. It's safe now and hopefully it will grow in the next days and can live on his own. I don't know if it's girl or a boy. We don't
We
also
will
ask.
never know. We don't ask. I just
Yeah.
ask for the race of the bird, maybe
Yeah.
if they know it, and she
It's
said
also not-
maybe it's a Spatz. They're not sure because small birds look similar.
It's also the first time I saw something like that here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good we saw
Because the
it.
last time you was not here.
You also
The
saw?
last year.
Good we saw it, so we can bring it in the veterinary. Yeah, so now we will go home, and then we will take a little walk with Ziri.
Yeah. Walk is here.